Now, window is actually easy to do. Mine is a little bit banged up because I was moving, but there's a easy way uh, to make your window 100% dark, and it won't damage the window, and you can undo it when you move out, and it's very cheap. Um, so people buy stuff online, and it has to be mounted, and it's you have to measure the window, and I've never been able to figure it out. However, this method is really easy and 100% effective. You need three things. You need paper, you need aluminum foil, and you need foil tape. The paper I got is a gray wrapping paper, big sheets of gray wrapping paper on Amazon. Uh, and I got the foil tape. It's the tape that heating and air conditioning technicians use on air ducts, and it's like duct tape, but it has aluminum foil on top, and it's 100% blocks the light. And you the reason you put the paper, the gray wrapping paper, uh, onto the glass of your window first is for your neighbors and people outside, because if you put the aluminum foil directly onto your window, your window glass, on the outside it will be really shiny and it'll look suspicious like a drug house, and it'll bother people. So you put the gray wrapping paper, you tape it to the window first using the foil tape. And then you take large aluminum foil sheets on Amazon, um, the the widest aluminum foil sheets you can buy, and you tape them onto the glass, right onto the glass with the foil tape. And the top part of the window, the top square you do separately, and the bottom square you do separately. And then this even allows you to open and close the window without damaging too much. And if you do damage it, you just tear off some foil tape and and patch. The first time I tried it, I put the foil tape on top of the window frame, and there was a space of air between the foil and the window, and the air movement from drafts was making it crinkle and making it noisy, and also I couldn't open it. But this method, you only need three things. You can get them on Amazon. It's called foil tape or aluminum foil tape, just foil tape for HVAC technicians. You can get it at Home Depot or Lowe's box stores. And the widest aluminum foil kitchen sheets you can find on Amazon. It says which width they have. And just gray wrapping paper that they use for gifts. And the cost was like, I don't know, less than $50. And you can do all your windows. And then when you move out, you just tear off the foil tape carefully, and it it doesn't really damage. It doesn't stick to paint that bad actually. Any tape might tear off paint, but duct tape will definitely stick and damage paint. But foil tape is more gentle.